Hi, this is Cheryl Heckel, and I'm coming to you with my Rainforest Cafe Comes to Kindergarten. Throughout this thematic unit, we will go exploring through the rainforest and the Amazon River. And as you can see, our first activity of the day is going to be Monkeys in the Tree game. Here is my explanation for the Monkeys in the Tree game. They are drawn out for the children. They have a little graph that they can go by, a picture chart that they can use. Here we're going to play it real quick. Here we've pre-chosen the number 3. The children are going to reach into this pocket here and pull out a number. Here you can see I have the number 3. They're going to hang it on this little push pin and then select out 3 monkeys, which they are then going to place on the tree. This gives them rope counting skills, and they can equate one-to-one correspondence with that. We're going to move over here to what's in my rainforest. This is going to be a picture that the children are going to create themselves. We have just used torn up paper, and my daughters have glued it on here. We have vines here and a branch and the river, water, the canopy that covers the rainforest. Here we'll place the rest of our word cards that were also student created. The directions are right here. They're going to look at the mural, take the pictures or the words from the pocket. They're going to place the labels on the correct portion of the mural. Here we have the tree, so we're going to place the tree here. We have the word leaves. We're going to place that up here on the leaves. And finally we have a cloud, and we're going to place this up on the cloud. Now moving right along, we have the Who Am I in the Forest? We're going to be looking at who's in the forest. Here again you can see my picture chart for the children to use. It's written out with words, and it also has pictures that correspond with it for those who cannot read yet. Over here we have different pictures of animals from the rainforest. Here we have the red macaw, we have a leopard here, we have a gorilla, and we have a boa constrictor. Now the children have created sentence strips here. I'm the largest of my kind. I have colorful beak. Here you can see we have a toucan. I have spots. Now let's see, who might that be? I think that might be the leopard. The leopard has spots, so the children will be matching the animals to these sentence strips. Here's another one. I have red eyes. That goes with the red-eyed tree frog, which is the mascot for the Rainforest Cafe. I can live 80 years. That would be the red macaw. I eat tropical fruit. That's an interesting fact about the orangutan. And here we have, I like to squeeze. That would be our boa constrictor. And I'm going to place our gorilla up here with the Who Am I? I am the largest of my kind with the gorilla. Now we're going to move right along to my math and science centers. Here we are with my math and science centers. Here we have our jungle. Here is our tutorial instructions along with the words that the children can also look at. Here we have a scale. Here we have a scale with a hanger and just a couple of little pots I had around the house. We are going to compare the anteater and the boa constrictor, both rainforest animals. The children are going to place them in their pots and see which animal weighs more. Now, of course, this isn't an actual comparison, but the children will be able to see which side of the scale goes down with which animal. And again, they have a lot of rainforest animals to pick from in this too. Now moving along, we have my Bunches of Bananas game for the children. It is a file folder game, and the children have different buckets that they can place the different different groupings of bananas. Each group of bananas is 5 bananas, and here we have 25 in this bucket right here. So we will be placing 5 sets of bananas. The children will be learning to count by 5, and here I have placed 5 bunches of bananas on the 25 bucket. Now moving along to my science center. Now this is a replica of what a butterfly garden, of course this would be real in the classroom where we would watch the eggs and develop into the larva, and here we have a picture of the chrysalis or the cocoon that the children will be watching for the growth of the butterfly, and here you can see the pictures, and here's what another pictorial directory for the children, the pictures, and again the words as to what they need to do. And for this, we have our little pretend magnifying glass, and the children can look at what's going on in the butterfly garden, and each child will have a butterfly journal to record their observations in with, just blank pages. There's also word cards that the children can use to help them with their spelling of the different words. Caterpillar, some of these words are far beyond kindergarten age, but this gives them practice with their writing skills, and eventually we will see our wonderful butterfly emerge from his cocoon, and we will be setting them free out in the schoolyard. Now, our last game is our butterfly match. This is our homemade by my 2 daughters coloring. This is a matching game where children will be patterning. Excuse me, that's our puppy Elvis, who thinks he needs to be involved in this. The children will have these butterfly wings, but they will have to correspond with the matching wings of the other butterfly. Let's see if I can do this upside down. Here we go. And the children will match the butterfly wings to the different butterflies, and this will work on their patterning skills. Well, this has been Cheryl Heckel, and we have taken a wonderful journey through the rainforest. I hope you enjoy this. I know I will be enjoying teaching this when I get my own kindergarten class here in another couple of years. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. The Rainforest Cafe comes to kindergarten.